Alright, so I have encountered many questions or queries regarding doon sa mga nasa abroad na approve sila with their credit card application dito sa Philippines, and tinatanong nila kung pwede bang i-activate yung credit card kahit nasa abroad sila. And second is, pwede bang gamitin ng asawa niya yung credit card? Pwede ba ang joint account? Kasi kapag joint account, baka naman pwedeng itawag ko na lang or mag-email na lang ako kay bangko habang nasa abroad ako at sabihin ko na lang na i-join yung asawa ko, and then my spouse will go to the bank and then submit some requirements like kung ano yung i-require ni bangko para lang ma-join siya doon sa credit card. Kasi baka mas madali na lang, no? Kapag itatawag na lang natin kay bangko, i-join ko yung husband ko or i-join ko yung anak ko sa credit card ko. Alright, so today we're going to tackle that query at sasagutin natin according to the terms and conditions and based doon sa rules and regulations ng isang credit card issuer. Marami kasing nakakalusot na gumagamit ng credit card ng kanilang asawa o kanilang nanay na nasa abroad na nagagamit nila. Pero kailangan titignan talaga natin ang terms and conditions ng mga bangko regarding dun sa paggamit ng credit card na pagmamay-ari ng ibang tao at wala siya dito sa kanyang jurisdiction, dito sa Pilipinas. Okay, so with regards to this query, i-consult natin ang 4 na bangko. Kahit sabihin nating asawa, okay, meron pa ring terms and conditions ang isang bangko tungkol sa paggamit ng credit card na hindi nakapangalan sa'yo. So let us consult BPI, Bank of the Philippine Islands. At ang sabi ni BPI, the BPI Express Credit Card and BPI Credit Card are non-transferable and can only be used by the cardholder. Let us also proceed to Banco de Oro. Sabi ni BDO, BDO credit cards are non-transferable and subject to the issuer's policies, regulatory rules, and parameters of American Express. So yun naman ang terms and condition ni Banco de Oro. Tungkol doon sa katanungan natin, ako pwede bang gamitin ang credit card ni hubby or ni wifey? Let us also consult Metro Bank. Ano naman ang terms and conditions ni Metro Bank tungkol doon sa paggamit ng credit card ng ibang tao? Ang sabi naman ni Metro Bank, card member's spouse who is a supplementary card member is jointly liable for all obligations and charges incurred using the credit card. So yun naman ang terms and conditions ni Metro Bank. Okay, so mag-consult naman tayo kay HSBC. Ang sabi naman ng bangko na to, the account holder is responsible for all credit cards issued under their account, including checking transactions of all cardholders on their statement. The account holder can add or remove supplementary cardholders at any time. Alright, so yun naman ang sabi ni HSBC. Kung mapapansin nyo, ganun din ang sabi ni Metro Bank. They spoke about supplementary card holder. So anong ibig sabihin nito? Obviously or apparently, hindi talaga pwedeng gamitin ang credit card ng iba. Whether pag-aari ng asawa mo, pag-aari ng nanay mo, or pag-aari ng anak mo. Kasi pagbabalikan natin si BPI, sabi niya, dinidiscourage niya talaga ang paggamit ng credit card ng iba, as well as kay Banco de Oro. Ngayon, pagdating kay Metro Bank and then kay HSBC, na-mention nila ang supplementary card. Ibig sabihin na okay na makigamit ng credit limit ang isang tao provided the principal card holder has issued her a supplementary card. Kapag meron kang supplementary card, you can use some of the credit limit of the principal card holder. Pero kapag wala kang supplementary card, hindi ho pwede na gamitin ang credit card ng iba. Other questions nagtanong, pwede ba ang joint account? Kasi kapag joint account, baka naman pwedeng itawag ko na lang or mag-email na lang ako kay bangko habang nasa abroad ako at sabihin ko na lang na i-join yung asawa ko, and then my spouse will go to the bank and then submit some requirements like kung ano yung i-require ni bangko para lang ma-join siya doon sa credit card. Okay, possible ba yon? Kasi baka mas madali na lang, no? Kapag itatawag na lang natin kay bangko, i-join ko yung husband ko or i-join ko yung anak ko sa credit card ko. Alright, so tignan natin kung ano ang sagot ni bangko tungkol dyan. Credit card joint account is rare and getting rarer. The bank or the card issuer generally prefers to issue a credit card to a single individual. Sa standard natin as a person, di ba ang hirap magpautang kapag dalawa yung kinakausap mo? Halimbawa, uutang sila sa'yo, dalawa sila, nakapangalan sa dalawang tao. So, ang standard mo as an individual, ayaw mo. Kasi kung ako man, halimbawa, ayaw ko yung magpapautang ako, pero pangalan ng dalawang tao. Para ang hirap pa, sino dun or sino sa kanila ang kakausapin ko, right? Kapag wala yung isa, hindi ko makakausap yung isa. Kailangan nandun sila pareho. So, ang hirap naman. So, ganun din si bangko. Kapag tayo as an individual, meron tayong standard sa pagpapautang kung halimbawa. So, mas higit pa si bangko na magsaset ng higher standard tungkol sa pag-i-issue ng credit card. Kaya doon po sa question or query na joint account sa credit card, hindi po siya possible. Pero ngayon, balikan natin yung na-mention sa terms and conditions ni Metrobank at saka ni HSBC tungkol sa supplementary card, which is one of the greatest substitute for a joint account. Ang maganda dito is, ito yung mga benefits gusto kong i-mention para ma-appreciate natin. Okay, you will be enjoying the benefits that the principal card holder is enjoying without you being qualified, no? So, ibig sabihin kasi kapag meron kang supplementary card, it doesn't matter kung ikaw ay may trabaho o wala. Kasi yung expenses mo will be billed and be paid by the primary or the principal card holder. So, ikaw na supplementary card, ang gagawin mo lang gumastos, i-enjoy yung benefit na na-enjoy ng principal card or ng primary card holder. Another one, separate card. Meron kang sariling credit card. So, kahit supplementary card holder ka lang, meron kang separate card na nakalagay doon ang pangalan mo, may card number, at saka may CVV. If you are holding your own credit card, you are being trained to become responsible also in your spending. At ang magandang benefit, you get to control your spending. Kasi nga alam mo na si primary card, inisyuhan ka lang ng certain amount of credit limit. Kasi kung halimbawa yung principal card holder, meron siyang 100,000 na credit limit, hindi naman lahat ng credit limit ni primary card or ng principal card holder mapapasayo. Okay, so what is going to happen is that you will be assigned with an amount na magiging available as your credit limit in your supplementary card. So with that, for example, inisyuhan ka or binigyan ka ng credit limit na 20,000, ang gagawin mo is that you're going to budget that. You're going to control your spending kasi you only have 20,000 a month. So, matututo ka talagang mag-control sa mga expenses mo. And another one, convenience. Convenience in a sense na as a supplementary card, hindi mo iniisip yung magbabayad ng bill mo. Kasi lahat ng bill mo babayaran ng primary card or ng principal card holder. So, kumbaga, napaka-convenient talaga. Pero sana wag naman tayong ma-spoil by spending too much na hindi naman talaga kailangan. Sasabihin natin, total, nandiyan naman yung aking nanay na magbabayad ng aking credit card bills o ng aking asawa. Siya naman ang magbabayad ng lahat ng mga nagastos o nagamit ko sa credit card ko. So, sana hindi ho ganon. Sana matuto tayong mag-control kahit na may convenience sa atin. Convenience in a way na hindi na ikaw yung mag-iisip kung ano ang due date mo, kailan ka dapat magbayad, may available ka na bang amount to pay, kasi iisipin lahat yan ng principal card holder. Kaya, on the part of the supplementary card holder, napakagaan talaga. And next, credit card rewards. So, kung ano man ang rewards and points na na-earn ng isang principal card holder, ganun din yung na-earn doon sa supplementary card. With that being said and being discussed, this is already a complete information doon sa mga subscribers natin na nasa abroad na na-approve ng credit card dito sa Pilipinas para wala tayong ma-violate na terms and conditions or rules ng ating card issuer. Alright, and then i-try natin na pag nagbakasyon tayo dito sa Philippines, kuhanan si hubby or si wifey o yung mga anak natin ng supplementary card para they can use it na walang limitations, na walang kinakatakutan or na walang questions at tatanggapin kaya ito, magbabayad ako ng grocery ko, baka biglang hindi tanggapin kasi baka biglang makita na hindi naman ako yung owner. So, para wala tayong agam-agam, sana sumunod tayo doon sa kung ano ang tama. Though, ang hirap naman kasi kung pwede, ipagamit na lang natin para makatulong naman sa mga financial spending or expenses ng family. But then again, it takes a little sacrifice, no? So siguro pag nagbakasyon tayo, we can issue our family members with a supplementary card. So tiis-tiis na lang muna, all right? Okay, so there you go. Natapos na po tayo with those queries and sana nakapagbigay ako ng enough information para masagot yung mga katanungan ninyo. Kung may pagkukulang po ako, alright? Or kung may mga tanong pa po kayo na hindi ko na-satisfy, you can get in touch with me by dropping your comments here at the comment section, or otherwise you can also PM me doon sa ating Facebook Messenger. Yan. Kaya lang seldom po akong nag-online dyan. Mostly nasa YouTube po ako. But then again, that doesn't discourage you to drop your messages naman or to DM me sa Facebook Messenger. Alright, once again, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat for subscribing, for trusting, for watching the videos. And sa mga pagkukulang ko po, I'm asking my apologies. And kung meron kayong gustong i-add up, because this is our channel, hindi ko lang po channel ito. There is already a community in here wherein you can also drop your ideas so that other people can read some of your experiences also with your credit cards. At para nang sa ganun, makatulong naman tayo sa kanila, especially sa mga newbies or baguhan sa credit card. So once again, maraming salamat and always remember kahit anong klaseng pagsubok yan, life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!